on, don't chicken out. I did it before, the smaller one too. Yeah, it's fine. On 4. Va para ahí. Ahí va para ahí. ¿Atrás? Ok.
Por ahí pasa la carretera también, ¿sí?
Sí, pero está cagado porque la otra vez se enfangaron. Abrilo para el... Sí, you're good. Yeah. No, I'm gonna pull him out right now. Huh?
I went one time on a two-wheel drive, right?
Yeah, but you gotta get stuck. Give me 1 second.
Mira,
Ahí voy para atrás. Estaba esperando a Guajiro. Está conmigo acá. Sí, ya cruzamos el agua. Entonces, voy a sacar un socio y ya, vamos caminando, dale. Sí, ya. Ok, dale, va, perfecto. Ya lo puse.
Ay, una foto. Si no, no es fácil, ¿no?
¿Ah? No. Let me use this bitch. I just got it literally
Oh, you
today.
got it?
This morning.
My boy, I think this is the one my boy has. And we did water wheels.
I did what with the 700.
Que pesa mucho.
Yeah.
ya compré la goma grande ya de esa para Cuba.
¿Qué vale eso?
10.000. ¿No son 2021? ¿Tú que tienes son 100 y pico dólares también?
No estoy comprando uno de los viejos. Pero
Ahora sí no hay invento.
Para que no te mojes. Hacer así porque está el cable acero. Hasta mañana.
Yo soy especialista en los cables.
We hate those fucking steel wires. I know. I ordered the other one. It's already in my house. I ordered the rope already. It's in my house. But it came me and said, fuck, I wanna ride.
I just want to start.
Oh, you're good.
I had 40 something. But I wanted to pop.
Ah, so you fucked it.
So I said, fuck that.
I need that much now.
I want an off-road. Y compré ahora mismo.
They're not good for this part, but yeah, they make it through.
Vamos.
Ahí está bueno. Thank you. Ahora, let's go. I got the two bodies. Somebody waiting on me.
I just told you, you're not gonna go deep, right?
Yeah, no. I'm not trying to fuck it up shots yet. I just got it. Ready or what? Oh shit, acá está de pinga, cuidado acá. No, go through there. Oh shit, oh hold up. I'll get you out. think you are too heavy in the front. Oh shit. I forgot. You got a hook in there?
What?
I mean, a place to hook it up? Yeah, you do. Let's see how good this bitch is.
I press reverse or no?
Yeah, you gotta go reverse. You gotta help me out.
Okay.
Espérate, que ahí vamos para ahí. Ah, de pinga, give me 1 second. Give me 2 minutes, I'm pulling out the SUV, it got stuck right here in the beginning. I'm pulling out the SUV, the Jeep. Yeah, but give me 1 second, I'm helping out the SUV get out of the hole. It got stuck. I might need help. Yes, I might need help, so. Okay, bye. ¿Te amarras ahí para que me ayude a sacarlo? No, yo sé, pero para que te amarre ahora que saca. Try to go forward. Hey, pesado. Try to go forward. Try to go like this, if you can. No, espérate. You have lock differential or no? You have for lock? Unlock? ¿Tiene bloqueado el diferencial o no? Pregúntale.
¿Bloquea los diferenciales? No bloquea.
Ah, you fucked then. Yeah, because these tires don't doing shit right now. These tires not going through. You need 4 differential. You don't have it. You're not gonna be able to make it through here. You better go pull back. Right now that one's sunk in there. Let's see if we can get you out through the back.
La única manera de sacarlo es pegar ahí la moto.
Sí, pero se va a meter más en el hueco ahí. Ay, no, espérate un segundo. Zafate ahí. Mirá. Agañate ahí y te sacás y me ayuda a jalarlo. Hold on, let me get my friend out so we can pull you out.
Okay.
¿Estamos quintera?
Winchate ahí, sí. Yo tengo para unos juguitos, si querés. ¿Te hace falta? Vos ahí, ven, espérate. Juanito, ¿tenés para los mosquitos o no? Tengo. Ah, ok. Un segundo. I will need a hand pulling out the SUV. He's gonna turn back because he cannot make it in here. I will need a hand to pull out the side by the freaking SUV, the Jeep. Acá en el principio, right across the water that we went in. Yeah, I'm trying to get him out, but I can't do it by myself. Right across when we crossed the water in the beginning. Not me, the SUV. I'm trying to pull him out. Está acá conmigo también, he's trying to help me. I know, but can you bring a couple guys to pull this guy out so he could leave and we keep going? Mandate un par de los socios para acá. So they will help me pull this guy out. Thank you. We're getting back up. We're getting back up. Not in here. You have like a foot or so rocky bottom, but when they got the water, it's rocky bottom. Yeah. You gonna grab my winch? Huh? You can't move forward anyways. You know what? Fuck, give me 1 second. This guy keep calling me.
Your buddy?
Yeah. Decime, yeah. Hello? Yeah. I'm trying to pull the SUV right at the beginning and we went in right across the water. I know, that's what I'm told him. We're gonna pull him out so he can get back out, but he's not gonna make it through the whole thing. Okay. Alright. I got you. I know, but we're gonna try to pull this guy out and say that he could leave. And we go meet you over there. Bye. There's 2 more coming in.
I think I'm gonna go back that way.
Yeah, that's what they were telling me too, the same thing. You're heavy. What the fuck? Unlock. Unlock. Can you grab it? See, poco. There you go. That's why I hate the fucking steel wire. Let me get you out.
A ver. Aguanta ahí. Espérate, flaco, espérate que está atascado. Dale, ven.
No, está free spool right now. Ahí está bloqueado supuestamente. Au.
Dale.
Por eso que los fucking cigarros acá son una mierda.
Yeah, because they get lost. And the rope doesn't.
I know.
Deja el cable ese allá adentro que no es que mete miedo.
Sí. You should have enough right now. Espérate ahí.
Mira, dale para atrás a la moto hasta que la moto se ataque.
Sí.
Cuando la moto se entierra,
Ahí es mejor.
entonces la paras y le das a quit.
Sí, porque ahora mismo no va a hacer ni mierda.
No, ahí no, porque se va rebalando.
Voy para atrás. Y voy soltando, ¿ok?
Dale ahí, suavecito ahí, dale para atrás. Dale. Dale mismo. Con la moto para tirar. Ahí. Dale que se entierre. Suave.
Try now.
Vamos a jalar.
Ah, ok. Let's start the winch in first. Help him out now. Try to make it straight. It's coming. Make it straight. Cuidado ahí. This bitch pulls.
Hey, stop. My cousin hit that bike. That bike got out. I want to get it. It's too much. That's 21.
Yeah. no, because I did finance it by myself, personal. Otherwise, they give you bare minimum. If your credit is perfect, it's 8% interest.
How much is it?
I paid 20 and 85.
20?
85. Because I did a personal loan on my own, so I could get better interest. Because they don't give you zero interest on these bitches. See, you go back on there.
Go back?
Keep going back. Yeah, are you still on the hole or no? Zafate ahí.
Ay, o siempre vas a subir.
Yo sé. Aguanta atrás. You'll be able to get right through just fine.
Yeah.
But beyond here, you can't do much.
I don't know. I want to go money, but I don't know where. Where do you think I go?
130, shit. No, 130 will be the same shit. Voy. Al suavecito porque si no lo coge la goma.
No, que va a entrar por otro lado. Ven para adelante. Déjame desengancharlo para que te
Sí, mejor.
I'm gonna get one used, a Honda.
Dale, flaco. Ahí mismo la saco.
You're gonna end up running that tree over.
Venga.
You're gonna pull that tree over right now. There you go. Ahora vamos a sacarlo, también a sacarlo a él.
Vamos a poner los motores aquí.
No, él ya sale, pero tenemos que dar un chip al lado.
What if I break the tree?
Yeah, you're gonna be at the tree for sure. If you can, I don't know. Try to pull it. Enganchate ahí ya.
Mira, eso es para adelante.
Para adelante. Let me give out a little. Hold up, I'm giving it out a little. Hold up. Alright, try to see you can get out through here. No, it's good. Sale. There you go. Expect up the line, but who cares? Salió, we going.
Salió, lo que está enganchado nada más.
Sí. Yo no vi ese lado. ¿Still recording or what? ¿Está grabando todavía o no?
Sí.
De pinga, you were holding recording the whole shit.
Huh?
Mira, dile que le dé.
Turn the other way. effect of the light.
No, no, fuerza, no le tiene vuelta, no le da vuelta. No le da vuelta a la goma.
So you gonna be pull again?
Flaco, vamos a amarrarlo para terminar de sacar.
Yeah. Okay, let me get in full freeze pull again. Cause all the guys are waiting for us.
No le da vuelta a la goma.
See? Oh shit, the other way, fuck. Shit happen, you know. Ah. Go. No, yo estaba jodiendo a ver qué tanto aguantado. Ok, está bueno. So you able to get out?
Yeah, I should. Just go back how I went, right?
Yeah, same way. Same straight route. So we make it easy for you. Jala esta mierda. Yo no la creía. Pues le falta fuerza. Dale. Do not go in there. Don't go right there. Go around the same one you got out. Ahí sale bien.
No, la transmisión no jala.
No le da fuerza, no tiene
No tiene,
subirte
no,
cambio.
La transmisión patina.
Sí. Ahí sale bien.
¿Crees que tiene un kick? Vamos.
Estos tipos nos están esperando allá adelante.
¿Crees que tiene un...
Salió bien, perfecto. Vamos para allá. Que nos está esperando. Amánate ahí.
No, ya hoy estoy en picado. He caído todo en cuanto fangueo.
¿Te saco ahí? Ya. Voy a ir un chip atrás antes de jalarte, ¿ok? Voy a sacar un... Ah, shit, voy para. Camina por el agua. Nah, Sale, sale, sale. Ahí está bueno, está bueno. What happened? Suelta un chin. We pull out the side by side. The side by side, the SUV is out already. We did. The Jeep. It went in behind everybody else.
Recoge. Dale.
Camina por el agua, despacito. Está muy fangoso eso. We pull the Jeep. We pull him out. He's out.
Got him out?
Yeah. He's not coming back here. No back here. I told him that.
Todo el mundo está para allá.
Ya, ok, vamos allá. ¿Qué pasó, socio, que se regresó? What happened with the guy?
¿Qué?
The one with the portals.
¿Cómo qué?
El tipo con los portales.
Parece que se le ocurrió
Yeah.
algo.
You're getting my shit dirty. Sí. Roquealo, roquealo. Eso mismo, ahí está. Vamos para allá. Está sacando todo el mundo. No, pues está muy inclinado ahí.
Dale, flaco.
Está muy inclinado para salir por los lados.
Dale para adelante.
Ok.